Hello guys, well, Train Clips HD here. Welcome to the latest video, and today I'm at Paignton on one of the main terminus points of the of the Riviera Line. Here is 153369, Kieran's Bay. 153 and the dreaded 153368 with the 1412 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth starting here. Here is 43 something.
126 and 020.
I have 126 and 020, which terminated in from London Paddington, which is our service from Torquay.
It's a long journey.
No, it's not actually. Not really. Good. And there goes the 153. Okay, here today with us is Trainsfan Central.
That's you. Welcome to my local.
Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, it is your local, isn't it? That's GreatWesternSpotter. Also here, Southwest Trainspotting. What's James's channel called?
BMX Waffle.
BMX Waffle. And who else is here again? I can't think now. I'm losing
Great
it.
Western Trains.
I Great Western Trains and that's it. I'm not going to say the other one because he's not here with us. I didn't. Anyway, so yes, so we'll be seeing services by Great Western Railway and Cross Country. So let's get started here at Paignton. Okay, now departing into the empty or the 14. Sorry about this, guys. The 1413 Great Western Railway empty coaching stock service to Paignton platform 2 by Goodrington. Oh, okay, I'm going to end the clip there for a sec. Okay, I've restarted the clip. Ran down the platform. Okay, going out now is what's the locomotive called again?
Braveheart.
Going out is Braveheart, which is going down to Kingswear.
This will be going down to Kingswear.
I'm not sure.
Which is stable there. Absolutely nothing. Does it ever do anything?
Oh, you did that last time, didn't you? You named him. Or Kieran did anyway. Sorry about the platform shot, guys. Oh. Good. Anyway, see what's next. Okay, I've just arrived and now is the empty stop movement from Paignton platform 1. So we'll see it go out in a minute. Okay, departing now will be the 1448 Great Western Railway starting here to London Paddington, calling at Torquay, Newton Abbot, Teignmouth, Dawlish, Exeter St Davis, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton. Alright, Exeter St Davis, Taunton, Castle Clary, Westbury, Pewsey, Reading, London Paddington.
Does this one call it Tor?
No.
No, it's non-stop.
Up now.
I know it's Dawlish Warren.
No. No.
We said all HC stop Dawlish
Yeah,
Warren.
most of them do, but clearly
Two from Paignton.
The next one will. The next one should. Okay, we'll see it go out in a minute. A little bit too early starting the clip, but I'll take a picture. Okay, departing now is 43020. Let's just lean the helm at the 1448 Great Western Railway service starting here to London Paddington. MTU nameplate. Guys, better be on to the chat. Did you get back alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, ideal. Oh, they got window labels, but they're terrible anyway. It looks so big next to the level crossing, it's unbelievable. So big. Sorry about the people in the car shop. Anyway, let's see what's next.
I don't want to be in your camera.
Okay, coming in now is 150-265, which is terminating in from Exmouth. And we'll form the 1512 back to Exmouth. 150-265.
What is this here?
I've always double pasted.
What's your question here?
I've always double pasted, to be honest.
See it going in a minute. Okay, going out now is the 1508 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth, starting here at Paignton. With a destination blind needs a bit of a turn. That calls it Torquay to Newton Abbot, Timoth, Dawlish Warren, Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St Davis, Exeter Central, St James's Park, Poleslow Bridge, Digby and Soughton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Limpstone Commando and Limpstone Village. Limpstone Village Commando and Exton are request stops. So you need 2 request stops. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, service now coming in now. It's 1519 arrival from Exeter St David's, 153329 and 15246. See it going in a minute.
And making its way in now is a cross-country HST from Glasgow Central.
Yeah, coming in, we've got cross-country HST. Varies, but I experienced that. Terminating here at Plymouth from Glasgow Central.
Oh my god! You need to go out at the same time.
Not good, right?
No, I know.
43304's on the front.
Oh,
43304.
43304. Great two-tone there.
Okay, coming in now is the 1532 arrival from Glasgow Central, from the 1637 back up to Leeds, 43304. This will go to good return in a minute as well.
$43,207 on the writ. So we'll see what's next.
Stop recording. Oh. Okay, going out now is the 1546 1543 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's, Exeter Central, 15246. We've just come up on the bridge. $153,329 on the route.
Yeah, but what do you get out of it though? Don't really get much. What is the point? So like anything like, what, you must enjoy it, mustn't you? Yeah. What do you enjoy about Trainspotting?
Okay, coming in now to 1553 Great Western Railway service from Exmouth. $143,619. Oh, hang on, this has got a sticker on the back. No, and 143,611. Okay, there goes the XCHST. Okay, coming in now, it's 1 Charlie 83, which will be the 1603 arrival from London Paddington, which terminates here at Paignton. It's London Paddington service, obviously.
Hey Charlie, triggered. Reverse formation. Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
No,
Is that what's that? If that. Kieran, it's got the best first class in the world. It's half first class. It's got window labels as well. Or it had window labels.
Hello, HST. Got a nameplate on the back.
156. 40, oh look, come on, power car.
Is it?
Yeah. 43156 on the road, Darlington International Summer School.
I seen this at Bristol Temple Beach last week.
You did?
Yeah.
James! Step to my lectures. Okay, see you soon, mate. Oh, sorry about this, guys. I do apologise about that. Okay, going out now is the ETS of Lidington site, or it's a platform 2 by Lidington, 43021 and 43156.
Go now, we'll catch both.
A decent shot over here. Yeah, it has, yeah. Okay, see what's next. Okay, we're down at Goodwinton at the moment. We've got the Heritage departing and we've got the HSTs over here. This is the Heritage service to Kingswear. Please don't whistle in our face. Thank you. HST's departing. I think the HST's departing. No, actually it shouldn't be. Huh? Actually, yes, that's a very good point.
yes, there goes Grey Park. 75014, I believe. Leading away to Kingswear on a Heritage Railway movement. And also departing the right time is 43207.
Okay, now departing now is 5 Echo 67 with the 1630 cross country empty stock service to Paignton.
What's on the rear? 43304. Departing with a cross country empty stock movement to Paignton. Platform 2 where it will form 1637 for Leeds. 43207 with the engine on.
Because it just rolls.
What? It's actually. How's it moving? Rear power car. There's a rear power car.
It's not, and it's not because it's on a bank. And you do know that, don't you, surely?
What?
Goodwinton Silence is on a bank.
Well done. Why is that? Why is that?
Yeah, that's why it's off and rolling. That's why it's going slow.
You see that has one. It will, yeah.
We're going to have to get back to the station.
I'd be a bit creeped out.
Yeah, except from Goodwinton to Leeds. Goodwinton to Leeds, Kieran. Yeah, we can see the rear power car, but we still see the front power car. What's that?
What is this drive being extra stock? Is it going to take
No, this drive will take it as far as Birmingham New Street now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. Cool, man. Yeah, I'll say about 3.5. Alright. Okay, departing now is 1 Echo 63, 43207 with a 1637 cross country service to Leeds. From here.
I like how we can quite clearly hit a buzzer.
great to turn off the driver, thank you very much. And also a quick shout out to the driver for letting us have a cab photo. Is this our last service?
Yeah.
One more before, after one more after that.
One more.
Yeah, extra terminating same contact HST mindset. Hopefully that works.
3 or 4. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, coming now 12 minutes early is 5 Alpha 92.
That's 21 minutes early.
It's not 21, it's due in at 16:52. And this was from the 1700 to London Paddington, which is our service back to Newton now, and I'm window hanging the whole way. Not for the veg, for the window hanging. Yeah, he is a bit, isn't he? Voice 3156. Okay, now it's at ECS posting. I shall be ending my Paignton video here. So thank you for watching the Paignton video. If you've liked what you've seen here at Paignton, please do like and subscribe. My next station will be Didcot Parkway, which is an invite only station. It's an invite, well, it's a private trip. Yes, so joining me here today was, bear with me guys. Okay, so here today at Paignton was Cornwall Trainsfan, Great Western Trains and South West Trainspotting. Also, it was, what's James's channel called?
BMX Waffle.
BMX Waffle and Great Western Spotter. So go check out all their channels as they make fantastic content, except from him. Excuse me.
Okay.
And him because he lives in the UK. But anyway.
And excuse me.
Yeah, so the next station should be Didcot Parkway. So I shall see you all there. Take care guys and goodbye.